Lolly jars. On the resources table in your classroom, there are 2 different lolly jars that we can use for the party. The thing is, we bought lots and lots of lollies, so we need to find out which jar we can fit the most in. That means your next job is to use one of the measuring items from the resources table to find out which jar can hold the most. Firstly, you need to choose an item to measure with. Pause this video and talk to your group. Keep in mind these 2 questions. What item will you use to measure the capacity of the lolly jars? And why is this item better to use than the others? Write down on your checklist what your group decides and why in the spot provided. Now you have your item to measure with and your lolly jars from the resource table. Measure how much each jar holds. Remember the steps in how to measure how much something holds. If you cannot remember the steps, have a look at the links below this video. They will help you along the way. Do this as a group. Once you have measured them and checked your answers, write down on your checklist how many of your items can fit inside jar 1 and jar 2 in the spots provided. Now think about your jars. Which one holds the most? Have a look at your answers to the last question to help you. Write down your answers on your checklist where the spot is provided. Good work! You have now found out which lolly jar will be the best one to use for our party.